Welcome back to our today's lecture. In our previous work, we start unit number 2. We have done words meaning, translation, learn to read 1 and learn to read 2. In our previous lecture, we complete our exercise, learn to read 1 and learn to read 2. Now we start doing our work page. All the students open your books of English, page number 28. All the students open your book, page number 28. The first thing in work page we have done is learn words. Learn words. In this, we try to use and learn the words, how we use the words in a sentence. Open page number 28. Now we fulfill this box. In this box, students, we have some words such as form. If you look at this box, form, pad, cellular, angle, focals, cone, annual, and sex. Then we add these three things, the first word is uni and the second word is by and the third word is try. We use these three words before these words. Uni mean one thing, by mean two things, and three mean three things. In sentence where we tell the one things, we use uni, and in sentence where we see the two things, we use by, and in third sentence where we see the three things, we use three. I hope all of you understand. Now come to this and fulfill the sentence. First one is jeans are t-shirts worn by men and women. The first sentence is jeans and t-shirts are both used for men's and women's. In first sentence, we talk about a sex that is completed in your books. In first, we use unisex because in this sentence, men and women, it used for sex, and we use unisex. Is it clear? In second sentence, magazine published twice a year. It's mean a magazine was published 2 times in a year. Please, the answer of B is biannual. We add the word by, and annual word we pick from this box. Biannual. It's mean the magazine was published in a year 2 times. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand. And the next one is special clothes worn by all members of a group. A special kind of clothes worn by all members of a group, such as the students of a school wear a same uniform, the people of army wear the same uniform, doctors wear the same uniform, and such like other professions in which a group of people wear the same uniform. Same uniform. When all the people same one uniform, then it is uniform. Uniform. I hope all of you understand. Next, come to the third one. Pair of spectacles with each lens made up of 2 parts. Spectacles mean glasses. Glasses are made of 2 parts. When we use the word of 2 parts, then we use, for glasses, we use the word of focals. and the glasses spectacles has two parts, then we use the word bifocals. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand. It's very easy. The next one is a white horse with a single horns on its head. A white horse who has a single horns in his head. In this sentence, a single horn use, it means one thing. We use corn, and one single horn to use unicorn. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand. Now come to the next one. A living thing with only one cell. All the living things that have only one cell. In cells, we use the word cellular. Cellular. When we, in this sentence, just one talk about just one cell, then we use unicellular. Unicellular means one cell, a single cell. Now come to the next one. A sport with 3 legs for a camera or telescope. When we use a camera or telescope, we use a stand or 3 legs to support them. The word that we use as a stand is pads. It has 3 legs, then we use tripod. Tripod. Is it clear? The next one is a dash flat shape with 3 straight sides and 3 angles. Which shape has flat that has 3 straight sides and 3 angles? An angle which has 3, then we use triangle. Angle which has 3 sides, we use triangles. Students, all of the students understand? Have all the students note down this?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good.
टीचर आपने इंग्लिश का जो लफ्ज लिखा है बहुत अच्छे लिखा है.
Yes. Okay, students, very good. Next, come to the next page.
Done.
Now come to the next page. In next page, page number 29, we complete the sentence. We complete the sentence by using 2 words. The first word is listen and the second word is hear. Listen means sunna and hear means also sunna. But what is the difference between these 2 words? When we say someone listen me, मेरी बात सुने, then we use the word listen. When we hear the sounds from our outside, from our surroundings, then we use the word hear. In first sentence, dash I have some great news for you. जब आपने किसी को ये बात कहनी है मेरी बात सुने, तो आपने लिसन का वर्ड यूज करना है. जब दूसरी तरफ से आते ही आवाज आपने सुननी है तो उसके लिए हम हेयर का वर्ड यूज करेंगे. आई हैव सम ग्रेट न्यूज फॉर यू, मेरे पास कुछ अच्छी खबर है आपके लिए, मेरी बात सुने. देन वी यूज द वर्ड लिसन. listen. When we say our talks to others, then we use the word listen. When we hear the sounds from our surroundings, then we use the word hear. I hope all of the students understand the difference between these two words. The next one is, please speak loudly. I cannot dash you. ऊंचा बोले मैं आपको नहीं सुन सकता हूँ. In this sentence, we use the word hear. Because we hear the sounds from other person. Next, the third one is, he did not dash to my advice. वो मेरी नसीहत नहीं सुन रहा है. Students, tell me what words we use in this sentence, hear or listen. If you understand the other two examples, then tell me what is the answer of the third. He did not dash to my advice. When we did not the advice of other person, what the word we use? Listen or hear?
Listen.
Very good, listen. Listen. In third sentence, we use listen. And the next one is, can you dash anything in this noise? क्या आप इस शोर में कुछ सुन रहे हैं? Noise come from our surroundings. So in this sentence, we use the word for hear. Is it clear? It's very easy, students. The next one is, I dash to instrumental music. Yes, who will tell me the answer of this sentence? I dash to instrumental music. For music, what words we use? Hear or listen? Yes.
Listen.
Very good.
Listen.
Very good.
Listen, ma'am.
Very good, students. For music, we use the word listen. Is it clear? I hope all the students note down this. It's very easy. Okay, students. Now come to the next page. Now come to the next page, page number 30. In page number 30, the first question is, write out about each person said using the past continuous sentence. In these fill in the blanks, we use past continuous sentence. In past continuous sentence, we use the first form of the verb and we add ing with the first form of the word, and we use the helping verb is was and were. In past continuous sentence, the helping verb we use is was and were. We use the word was for one thing and the were for many things. And verb, we use first form of verb plus we add ing with them. Is it clear? Such as the first form of verb is read and we add ing, then the word is reading. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand. In these fill in the blanks, we change these fill in the blanks by using past continuous sentence. Open page number 30. In page number 30, we fulfill these fill in the blanks. The first one in your book has been complete. The first one is what were you doing at the time of explosion? Explosion mean धमाका. जब धमाका हुआ तो आप उस वक्त क्या कर रहे थे? Kashif, actually this is, in these sentences we see the activities of some persons at a building. In a building there was a bomb exploded and many people have been found here. And in these sentences we know the information about the people that have been present at the time when the bomb exploded. In first one, the reporter asked the people, what are you doing at that time when the explosion? Kashif, the first person, the Kashif, who replied the answer, Kashif, I was eating breakfast. मैं नाश्ता कर रहा था at the time of bomb explosion. The third one is Shama. What Shama are doing at the time of explosion? Students, if you look at your books, you see that we have. Walaikum assalam.
कह रहे हैं कि मैं अटेंडेंस लगाने कैसी है टीचर?
I'm fine. Students, if you look at your book, in brackets, we have some cues that we use in this sentence to fulfill the sentence by using past continuous sentence. The first one is cue in the brackets, get off the bus. When the bomb explodes in the street, what are the Shama doing? I was. Now write sentence in part C. I was. Get is first form, and we use, when we use get first form in past continuous sentence, we add ing. I was getting off the bus. When the bomb is exploded, Shama was getting off the bus. Shama bus से उतर रही थी. Is it clear? I hope student all of you understand. Now the third person, the next person, Mr. Rehan, Mrs. Rehan is what Mrs. Rehan is doing at the time of bomb explosion. In brackets, we use the word talk and phone. Mrs. Rehan was talking on phone. Mrs. Rehan said, I was talking on phone. I was talking on phone. In these sentences, all the people that have been present at the time of bomb explosion in the street, all the people tell their activities. A reporter asked their what they are doing at that time. Now next one is Mr. and Mrs. Nadeem. What Mr. and Mrs. Nadeem doing at the time of explosion? In brackets, we use the word drop children school. We were, Mr. and Mrs. are two persons. So we hum in were. In we use the helping verb is were. We were dropping children. Drop first one, first form, and with ing. In past continuous sentence, we use ing dropping. We were dropping children to school. Mr. and Mrs. Nadeem were dropping their children to school. Is it clear? I hope all the students understand. The next one is Muna and Hina. What Muna and Hina doing at that street? In brackets, we use the word serve tea at cafe. we were serving tea at cafe. Muna and Hina were serving tea at cafe. The last one is Tom. What Tom was doing at that time? The words that we use in this sentence is sleep and office. Tom says, I was sleeping. I was sleeping in the office. I was sleeping in the office. Is it clear, students? I hope all the students note down this. Have all the students done their work?
Teacher.
Salam. Yes. Have you done your work?
Yes, ma'am. Assalamualaikum, teacher. Ma'am, I have done.
First, all the students look at this pic. In these pictures, we see that this is a picture of a garden where people have done many activities. Look at this boy. He floated the boat on the river, and this is the ducks. These two girls playing football. These boys riding a bicycle. These people are talking to each other. These childs are swings. And that boy is eating the food of the dog. Abdul Qadir. Students, I hope you understand these pictures. Now we fulfill the next. Fill in the blanks. After this, after seeing these pictures, I hope all of you understand this paragraph and these sentences. Yes, students, if you look at your book, the same picture that I have been shown you on your screens, these pictures. Now we make sentences with these pictures. We also use these sentences change these sentences in past continuous sentence. The first one is Laila and Sidra sit on the bench. When we use this sentence in past continuous, we change it. Rewrite the sentence again by using past continuous sentence. Laila and Sidra. Laila and Sidra were sitting on a bench. Were sitting on a bench. If you look at the picture, these are two girls, Laila and Sidra, and both of them are sitting on a bench. The next one is Bushra dash. Bushra dash. Bushra is skipping. In next sentence, we write Bushra was skipping. Bushra was skipping. In these sentences, we write the activities of the peoples that are present at the park and they have done different things. The third one is Kaneez and Coil drink water. Kaneez and Coil are two things. So we use word drinking water. Kaneez and Coil were drinking water. Is it clear? I hope all the students understand and note down this. The next one is Mark have popcorn. In this picture, Mark having popcorns. Mark was having popcorn. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand. It's very easy sentences. All these sentences made according to the pictures that are drawn in your book and that I have seen you show you on your screen. The last one is Mrs. Naseem feed ducks in the pond. Mrs. Naseem was feeding duck in the pond. Mrs. Naseem was feeding duck in the pond. I hope all the students understand these sentences. Now also write the diary. Unit number 2, work page, Siva Clan. I hope all the students note down this. Now students, show me your books. Have you completed your books? Show me your books. Yes, Aruj Fatma, very good. Very good, Aruj Fatma. Yes, Muskan, show me your book. Yes, Muskan, very good. Muskan Fatma, very good. Abdul Qadir, show me your book. Muhammad Sufyan, very good. Very good, students. Very good, students.